Have you been having trouble sleeping? It may not just be your mattress, your pillow, or your bedtime routine. Many people think that sleep problems only come from staying up too late, too much caffeine, or too much stress on their mind. But your body can also carry a lot of stress physically. Tight shoulders, your neck's got a lot of tension, headaches, shallow breathing, your back stiff, and constant fatigue can all be signs that your nervous system is having a really hard time shifting into recovery mode. Sleep is when your body is supposed to repair, reset, and recharge. But if your muscles are guarded, your spine is irritated, your breathing is shallow, or your body is stuck in stress mode, quality sleep can become very difficult. Chiropractic care is not a sleeping pill, but by improving your spinal function, reducing tension, and supporting your nervous system better, many people notice their body feels calmer, looser, and better able to recover and sleep. So if you feel tired, tense, and restless even after a full night in bed, your body may be telling you something deeper is going on. So here at Pro Active Chiropractic Center, we help people look beyond just their symptoms and we focus on your better function. So call or visit drscottstiffey.com to give us a call or schedule an appointment. Have a great day.